Hey, if you've come through to this video, you're probably looking to learn the exciting art of Muay Thai. Or you need some variety in your training, or you're a little bit worried about joining a Muay Thai gym and you want to kind of start from the start. Well, you've come to the right place. At DF Gym, we have a Begin of the Beast Muay Thai program that runs for 5 weeks, and you learn all the fundamentals of Muay Thai. We start with some boxing, and then we go to some kicking, some kickboxing, then we do more of the Thai style, elbows and knees, and then we finish with some Muay Thai grappling, and we tie it all together. It's a progressive program. We only take beginners into the program, and after that, if you want to join our Muay Thai classes, you're 100% welcome to jump in our general classes for intermediates and advanced. The program will give you access to our fitness classes as well, and our open gym, so you can come and lift some weights throughout the day anytime. We have classes in the morning, classes in the afternoon, classes on Saturdays, and lots of options to choose from. So if that's something that you're keen for, click on the link below. You can pay the deposit and reserve your spot on our next Begin of the Beast Muay Thai program.